great body style and always a popular one here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1967 Oldsmobile 442 convertible. Era correct 400 cubic inch engine underneath the hood. Casting number of 390925E, so the correct 442 400 engine. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, Turbo Hydromatic 400 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes. Let's take a close look at the chrome on the bumper and bright work up front. Headlight, surrounds, grille, and of course the 442 placard. I did notice just a little bit of kind of cracking, and it's tough to see, but a few imperfections up here kind of in the paint. But overall, don't get me wrong, this car shows well. Paint code is Y, so saffron. Trim 970, so black interior. This car looking very much like it would have back in 1967 when it rolled off the Oldsmobile dealer's showroom floor. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Oldsmobile Rally style wheels. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see this panel nice and straight. I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Like I said, a little imperfection here or there, like I pointed out on the hood, but overall, this one shows very nice. Great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Stick around to the end of this video. We'll take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. We're also going to show you the top going up and down, condition of the top, let you listen to it run, take a peek underneath the hood. As you can see, this interior in nice shape, very stock looking interior, black vinyl top. Check that out closer in just a bit. First of all, remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And as you can see, the chrome in the rear bumper, also nice shape, dual exhaust. It is a true dual exhaust, Flowmasters. Be able to see that in the underside pics. Once again, those underside pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're into 442s, maybe Oldsmobile, Cutlass Supremes, in general, like Oldsmobiles, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Something a little different every day. Videos are uploaded daily. And when the videos are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase either online or right off our showroom floor. Always like it if you can come to see us in person. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. You can see the driver's side also finished off nicely. Again, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. I have not noticed any rips, tears, or holes on the seating surfaces. Of course, buckets up front, center console. Little wear spot right there in the door panel. You'll be able to see the pictures of the carpeting in the still pictures. Nice shape. Power top. And again, I'll show you that working here just shortly. First of all, let's start it up, let you hear it run. Top of the dash, good shape. Good sounding car. Door closes nicely. Listen to this. Again, that's an era correct 442 engine, 400 cubic inches. Casting number of 390925E. Speaking of which, let's get this hood open. Check out that power plant. I'll show you the top going up and down. We'll check out the condition of that. Stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this car for a drive and take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Hood liner. looking good. Here it is. That engine we just talked about. Looks like a newer master cylinder brake booster back here. Again, power steering. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. There's a 4-barrel on there. Heater hose is intact. Just a stock, clean looking engine bay. Definitely be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. This one will turn some heads and be a fun one to drive. All right, let me pause this, get my tripod set up for you to check out that top going up and down. We'll see what kind of condition that's in. All right, you can see the top function going up, works fine. Let's check out the condition. All right, nice tight fit above the windshield, as you can see. Again, black vinyl top. And you can see I rolled up the side glass there also, so you can see the nice fit on that. Rear window, nice and clear. Looks like if you need it to keep you out of the sun or maybe a shower, it's going to serve the purpose just fine. Side glass, passenger side, also fits great. No rips, tears, or holes. Nice shape, like the rest of the car. All right, tell you what. I'll show you going back down here at the end so you can see it function both ways. But 1967, Oldsmobile 442, that Era Correct 400 underneath the hood. Automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass convertible in yellow with a black interior. Good colors, good color combo. Our speedometer working great. The fuel gauge reads 1/4 of a tank. blower motor works on this car. Nice looking interior, bucket seats, center console with an automatic shifter, which makes it easy for anybody to drive. Very smooth running Oldsmobile. Feels great on the highway. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays right where you put it. Right in the middle of the lane. No pull to either side. We've got louvered vents in the hood. We do have the top down today on this convertible on this beautiful July day. It's warmer than it has been and very comfortable. Corners nicely. Corners as you would expect. Great throttle response. Check out all the pictures and learn about this Oldsmobile at uniqueclassiccars.com.